Now, part of this, I guess, perhaps, is attributable to the media, perhaps social media, which is an extension, I suppose, of the media. And when we talk about the media and your career, we should, I suppose, because people will kill me if I don't, talk about O.J. Simpson. I
Of course.
spoke to Lee Bailey about this many years ago, and he had indicated to me, and he knew something about trying a murder case, and he told me how much of a circus that case was, and this whole notion of a dream team, which was effectively a fiction. Um, what is your opinion on dream teams and their effectiveness on a case to the extent that
Well,
they happen, which is infrequently?
well, the defense team in the O.J. Simpson case was a nightmare, not a dream. Most of the lawyers didn't get along. They were fighting with each other. I think I was the only lawyer on the team that everybody got along with because I was really at a distance. It's the O.J. Simpson case. When I first took the case, people praised me. Oh my God, that's so important. You're taking a case of somebody who might face the death penalty, who's probably guilty, but he's entitled to a defense. And then we made the terrible, terrible mistake of winning. And when we won the case, people began to hate us. One of my colleagues' wives came over to me and said, winning that case was like me getting a kick in the stomach. I said, do you even know the people involved? Do you have any idea? No, but I know he's guilty. And you shouldn't have defended somebody and won the case. If I had lost the case, it would have been fine. But I don't lose cases. I win cases. I have won the overwhelming majority of my life and death cases involving homicide, attempted homicide, assault. Those are the cases I've specialized in over the years. And I generally use science to win these cases. But fortunately for my clients, I've rarely lost a case involving life and death. And when I do lose such a case, I don't give up until we either win or the person is dead. I'm a very dogged and determined lawyer, and I never quit.
Do you think it's important for the public, and in that case, that was a glaring example, to have a view into how the courtroom works? Or does a case like that, which was certainly different than many murder cases or trials in general, does a case like that skew the perception of the public? Is it a negative thing or is it a positive thing?
No, I think it's a positive thing. I think people should see as much as they can about how the system works. There was a poll, I think, that was conducted saying people who watched the O.J. Simpson case on television were not surprised by the verdict, but people who read about it through the filter of the media, saw just television excerpts, were shocked. So people ought to